Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make curry leaves powder. Start by washing and pat drying 1 cup of fresh curry leaves, then spread them out to air dry until fully crisp. Heat a teaspoon of oil in a pan and sauté leaves briefly for extra aroma, then cool completely. Grind in short bursts to a fine powder and transfer to a clean airtight container for long-lasting use. Choose a drying method that fits your time and climate. For air drying, arrange leaves in a single layer on a rack indoors away from sunlight until crisp. For oven drying, set the oven very low and check frequently to prevent browning. If sun drying, use a clean mesh tray and cover with a thin cloth to block insects and dust. Ensure leaves are completely dry before grinding to prevent spoilage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while you cook, and it fits nicely beside a spice rack without spilling. It keeps water cool and is easy to grab between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more kitchen tips, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get back to the video. Once leaves are bone dry and cool, grind them in a spice grinder or sturdy blender in short pulses to avoid warming the leaves. Sift if you prefer an ultra-fine texture and regrind any larger bits. Label the jar with the date and keep the powder in a cool, dark cabinet to preserve flavor. Use within a few months for peak freshness, and always use a dry spoon to scoop powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.